Hello, we are from Selviraj, and right now we are discussing the topic of regeneration medicine in liver cirrhosis. So, this is my guest, Dr. Abdul Aziz from Namangan. He is coming from with one patient for the regeneration medicine treatment. Okay, Dr. Aziz, if you have any question regarding the stem cell therapy or regeneration medicine and supplements, you please ask any question.
Dr. Jack, can you tell me about these tablets? What kind of components in this tablet?
This is our Gapacure medicine. This is making this Gapacure for clinical study and research. Many research is coming because of milk thistle is the very good potent medicine for the liver regeneration. And also this is component have a glutathione, milk thistle, and pepper. So and then gluon also. So all the component having good regeneration power of the liver and having capacity for the reversal of liver fibrosis or fatty liver. So many study and many research we have to find out to show the result of milk cells to improve the liver function.
Uh, how does this tablet affect to viruses?
Yes. This component also having the antioxidant property and immune enhanced property. So, a patient having low immune system, so this medicine improve the immune system. We have also launched one another medicine of Vidicure. This many study published in many very big papers and many articles. So many study in AIMS also. So this is Bhumia Amla and another component. So this component have an antiviral property and immune enhanced property. Along with the antiviral therapy, if we are giving along with the antiviral therapy, this is very good killing power to kill the virus very fast. Clearance rate is very fast because hepatitis B is a DNA virus. So DNA virus very difficult to clear by the antiviral therapy because if we are taking the starting antiviral therapy, so we are taking long life therapy. And hepatitis B not have any antiviral therapy till now. So we using the herbal supplements along with the antiviral therapy, that patient liver will be protected, not damaging. So this is good for protecting of liver. And we also using the stem cell therapy. So stem cell therapy also having capability of immune enhancing capacity to increase the immune system and also having regeneration power and brain and liver very fast regenerate. So both combination of therapy is very good result if patient is coming on the early stage or non-decompensation stage. So result is very good. Result will be so on 6 to 9 months.
Okay, you mean with stem cell therapy we have to use these tablets for fibrosis, for virus also, yeah?
Yes.
How is it effective for fibrosis?
Fibrosis is for many research showing if you can modify the diet, if you eradicate the cause of fibrosis, so fibrosis automatically reverts to the normal. No need of any therapy. If you can reduce or stop the cause of fibrosis. In your country having the viruses, so hepatitis B and D. So because of viruses, fibrosis convert to the cirrhosis. So if treat the virus like the hepatitis C having very good antiviral therapy, only 3 months needed, then no need for long time. So after control of hepatitis C, liver cirrhosis or liver fibrosis not progressing, then decreasing to the normal one. So problem is hepatitis B and D because D not have any antiviral therapy till now. So that's why this is progressive disease. So need of support of stem cells and herbal supplement, nutraceutical supplements that showing very good result. And if you are changing of lifestyle changing, you eating more fruit, vegetable, doing regular exercise, morning walk, deep breathing exercise, all things will be, because small things will be converted into big things. Not having any option, okay, you go for the transplant. After transplant, having many complication, you took lifelong immunosuppressant medicine, and you also not a good outcome, because 90% have a good but 10% have not good. So, and lifelong you just taking antibiotic therapy also. So liver transplant is not a good option for early stage of cirrhosis.
Yes.
Try for the another way.
We hope these tablets will help to our patients to recover.
Yes, this medicine is improve the digestion, clearance of bilirubin, and clearance of toxins also. So this is very good result for the detoxify, abdominal discomfort immediately relief, digestion is immediately is good, and also having very good mobilization of bowel also. So no constipation, no gastric upsets, no abnormal condition of the liver. Any question?
Dr. Garg, can you tell me about stem cell therapy for diabetes,
Okay.
for arthritis, for metabolic syndromes?
So stem cell therapy now using for the many condition, degenerative condition. So diabetes having metabolic syndrome disease. So diabetes two type 1 and type 2. Type 2 mainly coming from the metabolic syndrome disease, maybe obesity, maybe malnutrition, maybe not taking proper diet, not active person. So this type of patients having insulin resistance, or maybe having more excess of food, not utilization of insulin properly. So this therapy is acting like improve the metabolic syndromes. If improve of metabolic syndrome and reduce the insulin resistance, and also increase the insulin secretion. So along with the herbal supplements, along with the stem cell therapy and anti-diabetic medicine, all medicine will be combined effect, and having very good result, and reduce the complication of diabetes also, and patient very good condition after 6 months. A very low dose of anti-diabetic medicine is given, or maybe no need of any medicine.
And what about is it effective of doing stem cell therapy directly to the organs or to vein?
This is no effect, no much effect of giving IV or direct to the organ. If look like if we are treating like the orthopedic condition, so orthopedic condition need local infiltration or local injections. But in generalized condition or big organ disease like liver, kidney, pancreas, so we'll give only IV. And if we are treating like neurological condition, then we'll use on local basis. If you are using the brain condition, then you're using maybe from the carotid artery or maybe from the spinal cord.
We have a lot of patients with arthritis. The blood stem cell therapy is enough for
Yes. If a patient having knee arthritis, so if early stage, matlab grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Grade 3 having very good result. If not having any deformity in the legs, and patient having grade 3 and having pain and having ligament injury, and then having very good result. No need of replacement, knee replacement. So this is very, more studies coming, more randomized trials nowadays coming. So this is very good result. So if your body having capability of regeneration, so why are you changing the organs? This is our object. If your body not capable to regeneration process, so you will take the outside regeneration things to improve or regenerate your body. No need to change very fast.
Thank you, Dr. Raj, for your information.